Hi, this is Emma from Centered Within. This is Animal Magic and I'm doing a reading for your horses. What's the intuitive message? What needs to come through? Are they trying to tell you something? Is there something that they're asking you to do? Or they're trying to tell you to do something or let you know? The readings so far have been quite interesting actually, so I'm going to pull that one. Okay, I just pulled this up for the in the world, not of the world, and this is the same. A lot of animals are coming through that have passed over, and this is the same for horses, that they're around you, that they're supporting you, they're guiding you, their strength. Horses are very strong, a lot stronger than they sometimes realise, which is sometimes good. I just want to pull, for this reading, I want to pull another card. This one wants to come out. Trust yourself. What is already with you? You may be feeling very lost, disheartened, powerless. You just don't know what to do. And your horse is reminding you, and this is a horse that's passed over, transitioned. Or maybe one that's due to, but it's more of a sense of one that has passed over, that's transitioned. You may feel that you've got the whole world here and you don't know what to do this way or that way. But their strength, it's like a strength but a softness as well, is circling you, is trying to give you, they're trying to give you strength themselves. So their strength, they're trying to give you strength so you can trust in what you're trying to do. All is not lost. You have more strength than you realise. You have, and this is what's already with you. You have so much already that you know that's available to you. You just not sure whether to use it or don't know how to use it, or don't feel confident in using it. But their strength, their gentle, soft spirit is with you. Even though your head and everything around seems and feels chaotic, they are with you. And you have within your hands to transform the situation that you're going through or feeling at the moment. You have the ability to transform it. You have the strength to do it. You just need to trust in yourself to be able to do it. And this is a message they're giving to you. I'm just seeing if there's anything else that needs to come through. No, that's all that your horses want to say. They've got a message for you today and just sending you so much love. Bye.